Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring another powerful AI agent framework, parallelization. This technique lets us break down complex tasks into smaller independent parts and process them simultaneously, dramatically increasing efficiency. As you can see here, we have a workflow with multiple agent nodes working in parallel. Instead of processing everything sequentially, we're sending the same input to multiple agents at the same time. In this example, we're analyzing a piece of text for emotion, intent, and bias. We have 3 dedicated agents: an emotion agent, an intent agent, and a bias agent. They all receive the same initial input and work independently. Our input text expresses distrust towards mainstream media. We want to analyze the emotional tone, the intent behind the message, and any potential biases it might contain. Watch as the input is sent to all 3 agents simultaneously. They're working in parallel, drastically reducing the overall processing time. Each agent has a specialized system prompt. The emotion agent focuses on categorizing the emotional tone, the intent agent analyzes the purpose of the message, and the bias agent checks for potential biases. Once each agent has completed its analysis, the outputs are collected and sent to a final aggregation agent. This final agent combines the individual analyses into a comprehensive report. Here's the final report. It includes a detailed analysis of the emotional tone, the intent, and the biases present in the original message. Notice how much more comprehensive this analysis is compared to a single agent approach. Why is parallelization so effective? Faster analysis, processing tasks simultaneously significantly reduces latency. Specialized agents. Each agent can be tailored to a specific task, leading to more accurate and insightful results. Just like how we have specialized system prompts here, we can also use specialized LLMs for each task. Comprehensive review. Combining the outputs from multiple agents provides a more holistic understanding of the input. Scalability. Easily add or remove agents as needed, depending on the complexity of the analysis. Here are some other scenarios where parallelization can be incredibly useful. Content moderation. One LLM checks for inappropriate content while another analyzes user intent. Code review. Separate LLMs analyze code for security vulnerabilities and stylistic improvements simultaneously. Document summarization. A lengthy document is divided into sections and each section is summarized by a separate LLM. Multilingual translation. A document is translated into multiple languages concurrently, with each language handled by a dedicated LLM. Parallelization is a powerful way to accelerate your workflows and gain deeper insights from your data. By breaking down tasks and processing them concurrently, you can achieve faster and more comprehensive results. Experiment with different agents and configurations and see the power of parallel processing in action. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI agent tutorials. Thanks for watching.